Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. So today I will present you about subject AGR 318. So the presenter is which is me, Muhammad Faizal Rozi Muhammad Kemal, and the second presenter is Nur Quratul Ain Binti Misdar, and the last presenter is Nur Izzatul Zayana. So we are from AT1105D.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzatul Zayana binti Osman. My number ID is 2020476042.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Quratul Ain binti Misdar. My student ID is 2020495052.
Today, we will present about our group assignment. So, Lawn Mower will be our topic to talk about in this group assignment. The equipment may have a battery powered or plug-in electric motor, or the blades may be operated by manual force and physically attached to the wheels, so that they spin when the mower is pushed forward. The first lawn mower was invented and patented in 1830 by Edwin Budding outside Gloucestershire, England. This initial mower was primarily made to mow large gardens, sports fields, and cemeteries. Budding's initial machine, which was 19 inches broad and pushed from behind, was built of wrought iron. A gas-powered lawnmower was also created and produced in the United States by Colonel Edwin George in 1919. And again, as you know, to clearing fields of grass or other species of grass, this machine is frequently used to tidy up gardens. The regularly used lawnmowers are made of incredibly thin, durable, and sharp iron plates which allow them to cut the grass with ease.
Alright, first thing first, I will present you about the machinery specification, which is we choose a model of Honda 21 walk behind mower. So which is the power rating is 11 horsepower, and then to purchase this machinery, it's only 2,369.20 cents ringgit. So the ownership life of this machinery we take is only 10 years. So interest rate for having this machinery is 0% because we can get it by only cash. It's just only 2,000 ringgit. So the salvage value after we use after 10 years is value for 947 ringgit 68 cents. So the estimate annual rate we just only take 1,500 hours.
As you can see, this is the table for machinery costing. In depreciation, we got 142 ringgit 15 cents for cost per year and 95 cents for cost per hour. Cost per year for interest is RM 1,658 ringgit 45 cents. Meanwhile, cost per hour is 11 ringgit 5 cents. For insurance and shelter, we got the same cost, which is for the cost per year we got 23 ringgit 69 cents and 16 cents for per hour. Total fixed cost for this machinery is 1,847 ringgit 98 cents per year and 12 ringgit 32 per hour. In a variable cost, repair and maintenance will be around 118 ringgit 46 cents per year and 79 cents per hour. For fuel, 1,935 ringgit for cost per year. Meanwhile, cost per hour is 12 ringgit 90 cents. The last variable cost is for labor. In per year, the cost will be 4,500 ringgit per year, and for the per hours should be 30 ringgit. The total variable cost for a year is 6,553 ringgit 46 cents and 43 ringgit 69 cents for cost per hour.
In conclusion, an automated lawn mower which uses minimum human intervention is designed and developed. The developed controller is simple, effective, and not power hungry. A lawn mower, which is simply called a grass cutter, very popular today, and it very commonly used for furnishing soft grasses. Now, it is necessary for cleaning gardens. Since it is easily operating machine, so now it is used for various applications. Using a lawn mower can enhance soil, reduce noise pollution, trap carbon dioxide, prevent erosion from drainage system, and lower temperature. So this is the reference that we referred to.
Alright, we already finished our presentation, so thank you so much for giving me your time. So see you soon.
And that's all from us. Thank you for lending your ears.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum.